Hey guys, so I got a lot of stuff in the mail today. There's a bunch of these like TFT backlight kits for Game Boy Color. But what I'm really excited about are these. eXtremeRate contacted me a little while back about making a video about their new Game Boy Color shells, and I'm pretty sure that's what these are. So let's take a look. Maybe we'll put some together. I have not looked inside these yet, so here is the Woodgrain one. It comes with a bunch of stuff, more screwdrivers. Let's take a look at this. This is the one that I really wanted. My phone is Woodgrain, so it kind of looks pretty similar. My phone case. And I hear that these might actually be a new injection mold. So we'll see. So it's really smooth. It's not like a textured wood grain, but the quality actually looks really nice. Let's see how close we can get here. I actually think it looks really nice. Anyway, that's the wood grain one. Let's see what else there is. It doesn't tell you, it's all in Chinese. Game Boy Color P301, P303, I guess there's like a number system. Okay, so this one I have also seen around the internet. This one, I think it's called like a touch color for some reason. It kind of has like a color shift effect to it. Ooh. So it's super incredibly smooth. It feels like I'm touching like a, almost feels like it has like a plastic, well it's plastic but it has like a, it's hard to describe. It's incredibly like slick. It has a really nice feel to it. Let's get a closer look at this one. You can see at certain angles it almost has like a purple with pink kind of look, and it's like a blue and teal. There's a lot of colors in there. It's really nice. Really like this one. And all these seem to be coming with buttons, membranes, the rear sticker, a lens, the battery cover, the battery terminals, screwdrivers, screws. So it's actually an absolute complete kit. Everything you need there. Let's see what this next one is. Ooh, this one is red. So this one looks, ooh yeah, this has like almost like a matte finish to it. Still very nice and smooth. Oh, it's actually painted inside here. That is so nice. A proper red Game Boy Color. Okay. One more. And I know what this one is, because they told me which ones they were sending me. This one is gold. Wow. So shiny. Whoa. Look at that. It's like chrome, but gold, you know, gold, chrome, whatever. You guys know what I mean. That is pretty neat. It's already getting like fingerprints on it. Gonna need a special lens for this one. Anyway, let's put one of these together just to see how they look. I think I'm gonna go with, I know the Retro Future just did a video on this one, so maybe we'll go with the red We'll start with the red. And I'm going to put together all of these, but... And I guess I'll just take one of these Chinese backlight kits here. And... let's see. I think this is a working board. Let's check it out real quick. Yep, seems to be working. Speaker's a little quiet, but that one seems to be functional. Might need a cap replacement or something. So, wow. Interesting. You know, what I want to do real quick, I want to compare this to... Okay, so what I want to do is... I'm really curious to see if this is an actual new injection mold. The Nintendo logo looks really good. The holes are definitely smaller than these holes, like the speaker holes are definitely smaller, like the whole area is smaller. The line around here is really nice and crisp, so some differences already. Yeah, let's see here. One thing I'm really curious about is the actual thickness of this part right here. So the thickness of an original shell is about 1.5 millimeters around the bezel here. So this is a little bit thinner, 1.38. So this is a cheap aftermarket shell. You know, your typical ones. You can see the this like line around here is not crisp at all. It's very smoothed out. The Nintendo logo is very shallow. This one's actually pretty deep. A lot closer to the original, I would say. The speaker holes look actually closer to OEM here. These are a little bit different. So I'm pretty sure that this might actually be a different different mold. It says ABS 3-2 there. And I don't see any, you can see these are like the points of where they, either the points of where they push it out from the injection mold. That's probably what these are, yeah. And this doesn't have any of those, which is really interesting. I don't know a whole lot about making injection molds, but anyway, I'm pretty sure that it's a new mold. So let's get started here. Here is the screen. Okay. And this is the one that came with it, but I do have all of these. These came with the backlight kits, so might as well use one of these glass ones. Look at that. Okay. What games do we have here? These are nice shells. As far as aftermarket shells go, these are very high quality. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put together the others just so I have all 4 of them ready to go, and then I'll be back in a few minutes here. Well, here they are. Took a little longer than expected, but I think they turned out really, really nice. The gold looks like C-3PO. It's so shiny. I went with a silver lens and silver buttons. I didn't have any silver or gray start select membranes, but it looks nice with the black, I think. I didn't put a rear sticker yet, but the gold definitely is kind of a fingerprint magnet. It's a little hard to tell in this lighting. You can kind of see here a little bit. But it is so shiny and nice. The Woodgrain is definitely one of my favorites because I really like wood grain stuff. I think I might use this to showcase the game that I'm working on because it's about a squirrel. So it just kind of fits right in that it's wood, like a tree. I love it. And then for this one, I think this one's like a touch purple or something it's called. Something like that. I went with kind of the Pokemon theme just because I had an extra lens with the Pokemon colored buttons, which I think was kind of fun. But this color is really nice, and the coating on this one is like, it's almost like a powder coating or something. It's so nice. It's so slick and smooth, but because of like maybe just because it's a darker color, you don't really see your fingerprints as much. You still can at some angles of light, but definitely not as bad as the gold. So this is another one of my favorites, I think. And then finally, you guys already saw the red, which is really nice. This is like looks like when they put one of those like sticker things over your car. It's like a matte kind of finish. I forget what they're called. They like, you guys know what I'm talking about. But yeah, well, I was worried that it might, like the oils of your fingers might kind of like leave like oil spots, but that doesn't really seem to be the case with this. It seems to be looking really nice. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put descriptions to where you can get these. Wait, what did I say? I said I'm going to put links in the description of where you can get these. So yeah, stay tuned. I believe they're going to be on Amazon, but I have to talk to eXtremeRate again. Yeah, they're going to let me know where those links go. But anyway, here they are, and I absolutely love these. These are going to look super nice on my shelf. So thank you again one more time, eXtremeRate, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time.